Hey guys, what is up? This is Sahil Watts, and in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you reset your PC using a Windows 10 installation media. So for that, first you need to download this tool from from Microsoft.com. Okay, I'll pin down the website link in the description. Then download the tool. Then you have to run it. After that, you should have one pen drive which should be of at least 8 GB, because that will work as a bootable drive, and from here your Windows will get installed. So like I have already done that process. You just have to do next. Okay, I'll show you the file also, how does it look like. So this is the media creation tool. You just have to open it, and then you have to select a drive like the pen drive. This is iDrive, USB iDrive. So I made this as a recovery drive. So yeah, just select this drive and click on next, and it will take about 1 hour, okay, to create this media. And after that you just have to open this, and there would be a file called setup.exe. You just have to run this file. When you will run this file, this dialog will open. This is the third or fourth dialog. You just have to click on next and next. And yeah, so if you want to reset your PC from here, so you'll get the three options that you can keep your personal files in app and Windows, and it will install the window only, and all your it will reinstall the window, and all your files and apps would be the same only. Second option would be keep personal file only. In this, only Windows C data, like in which Windows installed. I'll show you. This is the Windows C, where Windows is installed. The data of Windows C will be erased, and your other drive will be saved, and all the app will also be deleted. Okay, here you can see your settings and app will be deleted, but your files will be kept. The files in other than the section of Windows C. Okay, it may be different in your laptop or computer, so you can just check out where your Windows is installed, and you can take the backup of that. And I would suggest you to take the backup of other two drive also, if it's possible. Okay, so yeah, so second thing is that, and third thing is nothing. So it will be like everything will be erased from all the drive, and all the settings and app will be, everything will be new. Okay, so I am going to choose this nothing, and click on next, since I want to reset my PC completely. Click on next and make sure you are ready so now it will take more time. It will check for updates and all. It will take some time. I'll update you in the later section of the video that how much time did it take of the complete installation, because if I record the complete installation, it will be like 1 hour or something. So okay, so yeah, so now we are ready to install. I'll click on install. So now you will see that your PC will restart several times. So make sure you connect your laptop or PC with power switch. Okay, so now it is happening 0% complete. So yeah, it will take a while. So 1%. It will take around 1 or 2 hours. So this is after this. It's a basic installation setup. You can do it by your own. So I did this because this is one of the two methods from which you can reset your PC off, or if your PC is acting up and doesn't working well and you want to reinstall Windows, or just reset your PC, you can do that. So first is you can just go to settings and go to recovery mode, update and recovery, and go to recovery. Then from there you can reset your PC, but I don't have any recovery media, so it wasn't possible from that method also. So that is why I'm doing it from media, like recovery media as a USB. So this is the USB which I just connected right here. So basically I'll be installing SSD in this. So I'm just resetting my PC, and then clone the data to SSD from this HDD which is being run right now. And after that I'll use that as a main drive in my laptop, from where I'll run the program, and from where window will be boot up. Okay, so yeah, so guys, that was all for the video, and Yeah, if you have any query regarding this, you can pin down in the comment section. I would be very happy to help you. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, see ya.